Hello, I wan welcome una to another episode of Law in Pidgin. My name na still Hope Azinuchi Azeru Oziri. Today we go talk about custom, tradition and constitution. You know, some people dey ask say barrister, wetin all dis one wey dey talk about constitution, what of our custom? Today I go tell una the place of custom where constitution dey. You wey dey watch our video, when you watch dey share. No watch our video come keep am only you. Watch, share, make other people learn. Now, constitution no abolish or no throway law, no throway our custom and tradition totally. No. Our laws, no be only constitution, other laws dem no throway our native laws and custom. But the legal principle be say your custom, okay, one constitution talk say your custom dey under the constitution, or your custom dey subject to our constitution, our 1999 constitution. So any custom wey dey operational for una place, wey una dey use dey arrange things for una place, wey dey against the constitution, that custom no go stand. Na so law talk am, because section 1 subsection 1 of the 1999 constitution as amended talk say the constitution dey supreme and every other law dey under the constitution. The same constitution for subsection 3 come talk say any law wey dey inconsis ten t, any law wey dey against, any law wey dey waka go this side, when constitution dey waka go this side, say that law, any native law or custom wey dey waka go this side, when constitution dey waka go this side, that native law and custom no go stand. E go dey null and void. Na so constitution talk am. Now, constitution now come talk say everything wey you dey do for your custom, make sure say e dey within the constitution. And for that una tradition, because people like their tradition, that your ogbonge tradition wey you value too much, you too love your tradition, for that your tradition to dey valid, that your tradition must pass wetin dem dey call the validity test. This validity test e dey three, and that your custom must pass the 3. Wetin be this validity test? One, that your custom e no go dey repugnant to natural justice, equity and good conscience. E get some kind custom wey be yeye custom, in fact na mumu custom. The custom no follow at all. So that your custom no go dey repugnant, like e no go dey, e no go be yeye custom wey be say e dey against natural justice, e dey against equity wey be fairness, wetin dey okay, wetin dey alright. E dey against, e no suppose dey against good conscience. So if your custom dey against natural justice, equity and good conscience, that your custom no go stand. Anyhow una like make una value that custom reach, e no go stand. Another thing again be say your custom no go dey incompatible with the constitution. Wetin dis one mean be say, I don talk am from the start, be say that your custom, make e no be say constitution dey go like this, dey go right, your custom dey go left. For example, if custom talk say, okay, my use for example now, custom talk say woman get pikin, your daughter no go fit inherit your property, and constitution talk say your girl pikin, your girl child go fit inherit your property. E show say that your custom dey against constitution. E dey incompatible, like two of them no fit agree, just dey like cat and dog. That your custom and constitution na cat and dog. That your custom no go fit stand. The last test be say that your custom make e no dey against public policy. Wetin dis one dey talk, we wan know wetin be public policy, public opinion. Make your custom no dey against public opinion. So many customs dey against public opinion. For example, all those customs dem wey go tell you say if man die, husband die, dem go pursue the widow, or if husband die, dem go wash the man dead body, give the woman make im drink. All those custom e dey against public policy. All those custom dem no go fit stand. So where custom and tradition dey, constitution dey. Your custom and tradition dem dey under the constitution. Dem dey under the constitution, and if dem dey repugnant to natural justice, equity and good conscience, dem come dey incompatible with the constitution or any writ ten law, or e dey against public policy, dat your custom no go stand. So any custom wey you get or wey you dey believe in, make sure say e no dey contradict the constitution or all these principles wey I lay down. When you watch, share, make other people watch too. Thank you.